Hey there guys, welcome to Casehead's double box break number 232 of 11-12 Upper Deck Ultimate. The last team that ended in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on June 25th at 9:19 p.m. Eastern Time. So eBay's current date and time. One more time. Okay, so current date and time is Tuesday, June 25th at 9:12 p.m. Pacific, and Wednesday, June 26th at 12:12 a.m. Eastern Time, so 12 minutes after midnight in the Eastern Time Zone. So 232. And our serial numbers tonight are NE189527951 and 23196 is our second box for tonight. NE189527951 and 23196 is our second one. Let's go over our boxes. Sealed. Okay, so I'll show you guys serial numbers for each box and we'll get started, guys. So on to box number 1 for tonight. 3196 is our first one. No patch in this one. Okay, so we start off with base for the Carolina Hurricanes of Jeff Skinner, 24 of 399. We got Ultimate Rookies of Ben Holmstrom, 254 of 399 for the Flyers. Oh, looks like we got we have 1997 Legends autograph of Ron Hextall for the Philadelphia Flyers, so not a bad one. I don't know what group Hextall is, but I know we haven't pulled too many of him. So nice hit there for the Flyers. And we have a base of Mario Lemieux for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Number 62 of 100, I believe. Yeah, 62 of 100 for the Penguins. I'll take box number 2. 7951. Patch here. And so we got Ryan Miller, 116 of 249 for the Buffalo Sabres. We got an Andy Melly autograph for the Phoenix Coyotes, 184 of 299. We got alternate signatures of Thomas Vokoun for the Washington Capitals. We have ultimate debut threads patches of Rafael Diaz, 69 of 100 for the Montreal Canadiens. Barely two colors, 3 breaks. So that concludes the break for tonight, guys. So we have 11-12 Upper Deck Ultimate again tomorrow and Cup Hockey. Then on Sunday I'll be doing a live Cup case break. So 6 spots, 505 per spot, so it's 6 teams each for everybody, or 5 teams each for everybody in the break. If anyone's interested, I'll post a link below. Other than that, have yourself a great night, guys. Take care.